Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today 4th class children I will teach English grammar lesson number 7, the remaining part of that lesson. Okay, so on page number 51 exercise B. This is a picture of a street taken last evening. Fill in the blanks to show what was happening at that time. So we have to complete these sentences with past tense, past continuous tense. Okay, so this they have given here a picture. So they are saying that this this picture was taken last evening. So we have to tell what was happening there at that time. Okay. So we have to complete this sentence in past continuous tense. So do you remember? Is it or not? What is past continuous tense? Past continuous tense ante నిన్న ఆ టైంలో ఇలా జరిగింది అని చెప్తాం కదా. సో అది past continuous tense. Okay. So first one, some people dash at the bus stop. Some people were sitting. Two women dash on the street. Were walking. Two women were walking on the street. The women dashed to each other. The women were talking to each other. Fourth one, a barber. Barber ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? షాప్ లో కటింగ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. Was cutting. At his shop. A vendor was going. A vendor was going on the street. Sixth one, the vendor was selling newspaper. Was selling. So ఎక్కువ మంది గురించి మాట్లాడినప్పుడు were and ఒకరి గురించి మాట్లాడినప్పుడు was. Noted down. Exercise C. Choose the correct answers from brackets and fill in the blanks. So we have to choose the correct answer. Okay. So here also past continuous tense. Past continuous tense సంబంధించి కరెక్ట్ పదాలు మనము చూస్ చేసుకోవాలి. So Ranjan dash pakoras in the kitchen when the bell rang. So Ranjan fried pakoras, was frying pakoras, was frying. Was frying. Second one, they dash ready for the meeting when it got cancelled. They were getting ready. They were getting. We dashed the stairs when the lights went off. We were climbing. We were climbing the stairs. We were climbing the stairs. Fifth one, Baman dashed the door when the courier came. Was locking. Baman was locking the door when the courier came. Fifth one, it was late at night. The passengers dashed when the train met with an accident. Were sleeping. Were sleeping. What did now children? See children, match the sentences to the tenses of the verbs used in them. So here we have to match the sentences to the verbs tenses. Okay. So which sentences in which tense we have to match them. So first one, we are learning grammar. We are learning grammar. It jarugutundi. So present continuous tense. First one is present continuous tense. Second one, we learned grammar ante memo నేర్చేసుకున్నాం. So simple past. We will learn grammar. We will learn grammar ante memo నేర్చుకుంటాము. So simple future. Fourth one is we learn grammar. Simple present. We were learning grammar. Present continuous tense. We were learning. So present past continuous tense. We were kada. సో ఇవి మీరు మ్యాచ్ చేసుకోవాలి. పక్కన ఇదిగోండి, ఇక్కడ సెంటెన్స్ ఇచ్చారు, ఇక్కడ టెన్సెస్ ఇచ్చారు. సో ఇక్కడ సింపుల్గా నంబర్స్ వేసేసుకోండి, సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే. Turn the page children, page number 52. Fill in the blanks with past continuous tense of the verbs given in the brackets. So ఇక్కడ blanks ఇచ్చారు అండ్ ఇక్కడ బ్రాకెట్ లో verbs ఇచ్చారు. సో ఆ బ్రాకెట్ లో ఉన్న verb ని past continuous tense ఫామ్ లో రాయాలి. ఓకేనా? So first one వాళ్ళు రాశారు చూడండి. The water dash out of the tank. The water was flowing out of the tank. Bracket లో verb ఏంటి? Flow. Second one, Joe dash a cake when we gave him a surprise. So bake. Bake. So past continuous tense లో bake అన్నది ఎలా రాస్తాము? Was baking. Was baking. Joe was baking a cake when we gave him a surprise. Third one, Rizwan dashed the books this morning. Arrange. Was arranging. Was arranging. Fourth one, they dashed in the park when it started raining. Play. They were playing. They were playing in the park when it started raining. Fifth one, he dashed to the market. He was going to the market. Go ఇచ్చారు కదా. సో past tense ఏంటి? Going. Continuous tense going. Sixth one, we dashed the match when the storm broke out. Watch. We were watching. Seventh one, I dashed in my cupboard when I heard a loud cry. I was hiding. Eighth one, Ritu dashed in the river when she saw a snake on the bank. So swim, was swimming. So any verbs ఏంటి past continuous tense లో ఉన్నాయి. Was baking, was arranging, were playing, was going, were watching, was hiding, was swimming. Okay, note it down. Okay children, so the last exercise, composition. You are a reporter for your school magazine. Complete the report about an incident that happened when all of you were preparing for the school fete. So here they have given a passage with blanks in it. So this is a report. Imagine that you are a school reporter and you have to give a report to the principal or anybody else about the స్కూల్ ఫెటే. స్కూల్ ఫెటే మీన్స్ ఒక ఫంక్షన్, యాన్యువల్ డే లాంటి ఫంక్షన్ ఒకటి. సో స్కూల్లో యాన్యువల్ డే ఫంక్షన్ జరుగుతుంది అండ్ ఆ రోజు ఒక ఇన్సిడెంట్ జరిగింది. మీకు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ మధ్యన ఒక ఇన్సిడెంట్ జరిగింది. సో అది ఈ ప్యాసేజ్లో ఇచ్చారు, ఆ ఇన్సిడెంట్ జరిగింది ఎలాగా. సో దాంట్లో మీరు ఫిల్ చేయాలి, బ్లాంక్స్ ఇచ్చారు. సో ఆ రిపోర్ట్ కంప్లీట్ చేసి మీరు చెప్పాలి. ఓకేనా? సో ఐ హ్యావ్ రిటన్ ఇట్ ఆన్ ద బోర్డ్ అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు see it and complete it. Okay, so I hope that you understand the handwriting that I have written it on the blackboard. You can pause it and you can zoom it and write. Okay. So children, I hope that you understood this lesson about tenses, the different tenses that we learned in this lesson. So go through the textbook once again, read this lesson and complete each and every exercise and post the pics. If you have any doubts, ask your parents, and if they also can't tell you, you can call us on the school number. Okay? Thank you.